Here's a 2011 Honda Ridgeline. It's where tough and intelligent merge, providing a ride that's so smooth you'll think the world's flat. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, AM/FM satellite radio, integrated storage, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, and front heated leather bucket seats. New Car Test Drive reports the incredibly high stiffness and strength of this body and chassis combination and the isolation of the drivetrain and suspension from the cab make the Ridgeline a joy to drive. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.